Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S100 and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Following that, tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyword, and Gword. Lastly, click on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way, you can turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!